Hello and welcome to Penton UK.
This is a training tutorial for a local line source playback such as a CD player, iPad or laptop. In the Setup 1 menu at the top of the page, make sure you've selected the Audio Matrix tab. On the left of the screen, you'll see Line In highlighted in green, indicating an active signal is detected. It also shows this status in the top right corner, where you'll see the Output 1 and Output 2 channels are playing the line in signal. If you want to adjust which output the signal is channeled through, then simply uncheck the unrequired channel as shown on screen. Then click Save. This method is purely for the outputs on this current TERRACOM device. If, however, you want to stream your line-in audio to another TERRACOM device, then focus on the three middle columns titled Out, IP address and Port. Firstly, select the codec you wish to use, such as MP3 or WAV, and then type in the IP address of the TERRACOM module you're trying to address, along with the port. Then click Save. Now everything streamed from that line input is streaming to that multicast IP address, and every other TERRACOM device you may have in the same network could also listen to that line-in stream. Simply copy that IP address into the IGMP IP box further down the page under Stream Multicast. Additionally, these input signals come with 6 priority levels, 1 being the highest priority and 6 the lowest. For example, if we now insert a USB drive into the TERRACOM device, you'll notice it's detected by highlighting green and overriding the line input signal. This is because the USB is set to a priority level 5, with the line in at 6. As mentioned earlier, you'll see the current source that's playing in the top right corner. It says Message in Out 1 and 2, which refers to the USB just inserted. Removing the USB leads to the status switching back to Line In.
Please make sure you subscribe to our Penton UK channel for updates on further TERRACOM training videos. Thank you for watching.